Hey guys, so I'm going to go over quickly how to use a protractor. So you'll note that in the center of the protractor here, you've got a hole, and that hole goes over your vertex. And you also know that we've got a 0 angle line going to the left and the right. And then the last thing, we have two sets of numbers here. We have one starting from the left going to the right, and another set of numbers starting on the right going to the left. And these numbers will intercept. Like, for example, you have 100 on top of 80. When this happens, the corresponding number, you're going to want to use that with that angle. So if it's if it's an acute angle, you're going to use the 80. If it's an obtuse angle, you're going to use 100. And also another way you could think of it is that so angles, they'll open up from two locations. So you see right here, this angle right here. I like to think of this angle as opening from my right side to the left. See how this rays at the bottom, my bottom rays here, and then it's going to open up this way. So when that happens, I use the numbers from my right side going this way. Now let's just measure this angle out. Alright, so you put the hole on top of the vertex and you make sure that your rays in line with your 0 angle line going all the way across. Then whichever your top angle, whichever number it protrudes from, that's your actual degree of your angle. So right here we've got 100 and we've got 80. But like I said before, this was right opening and it's obtuse, so we're going to use 100. And if you look at it, it's say 100 or 101. Go with 100. So this is 100 degrees right here. Alright, and then we're going to measure it again from another way just to check it. And right here, this angle, now you can see that this opens. So it starts from my left and it opens right. So this time we'd use the numbers going this way. So starting from my left and going up, so the top numbers. And let me just make sure it's aligned. And yep, it's just about 100. So just checking my work there. And you could also use a protractor to create your own angles. So let's say you draw your bottom ray first here. Alright, then you pick a side. Let's say I'm going to have my vertex on my left side, so right here. Then you align it, and let's say I wanted to make a 40 degree angle. I'm going to put my dot here. Then I'm going to rotate my protractor, align it, put my pen on the dot, and then draw the angle all the way back to the vertex. And we measure it to see if it's 40 degrees. And it is. Alright. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.